This is so pretty. Yeah. It sees me, so it's running away. Ah, there you are. Beautiful. Look at how huge the thing is. Yeah. Look, it's got red on the bottom. I mean, on the body. Ah, it just flew by my head. Come back. He's coming back. Yay! They're huge. Yeah. Let me see if I can get over here. He likes that one. See how it has a red body at the top? Wow, that's huge. Oh, the blue ones are beautiful. You know the blue Ulysses ones? Beautiful too, butterfly. Don't worry. I like their red bodies. Still appreciate you. We like your black and white wings with the red bodies. He just came up close. Did you see that? Yeah. He got used to us. But that's good. Oh, that's cute. I'm not sure if it's going or not. Now it's going. Wow, that's